The AC cabin blower can be accessed behind this glove box. You can watch the detailed version of how to remove the glove box and cabin air filter through that link on the screen and in the description box below. Also, just to inform you that this video is not a detailed tutorial. Please refer to this link to watch a detailed video on how to clean your vehicle's evaporator. Here I put some rag underneath the AC cabin to prevent the carpet from getting wet. Turn on the fan or blower. Leave the AC off and do it on a recirculation mode. Spray some evaporator cleaner on the blower motor. The blower will push the cleaning solution into the evaporator. This causes the fins to unclog and remove any dirty particles inside. Remember to close the vents or cover it with a rag to prevent any solution from getting out. Here's what happens if your vents cannot be closed. You need to block those splashing solutions with a rag. And here is why you need to put some rag underneath, preventing your carpet from getting wet. When you are finished spraying, turn on the AC to rinse the evaporator for 30 minutes. Then turn off the AC and let the blower run for another 20 to 30 minutes to dry off the evaporator. Don't forget to remove the rag underneath the dashboard when you are finished with the process. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.